In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a Smartsheet cell. If you've ever worked in Smartsheet, you know how cluttered things can become when your text doesn't quite fit within a cell. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a simple solution to keep your sheets organized and easy to read by wrapping text within your cells. Let's begin by selecting one or more cells where you want to apply text wrapping. It's often easier if you have multiple cells that need this adjustment to select them all at once. This way, you can format them all simultaneously, saving yourself some time and effort. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells you wish to select, or hold down the Shift key and click on each cell individually. Once you've successfully selected your cells, direct your attention to the toolbar above. Here in the toolbar, you'll see several tools that Smartsheet provides to make your work experience as smooth as possible. What we're looking for specifically is the Wrap Text icon. This icon typically resembles a square with a series of lines or bent lines within it. It's designed to be intuitive, symbolizing text wrapping over multiple lines. Take a moment to locate this icon in your toolbar. Once you find it, you're just a click away from perfectly wrapped text. Clicking this icon enables the Wrap Text feature. As soon as you click it, you should notice an immediate change in how the text is displayed in your selected cells. The content will automatically adjust to appear on multiple lines rather than being cut off or spilling into adjacent cells. It's a simple transformation that has a significant impact on readability and editing ease, ensuring that you can see the entirety of your text without having to expand columns manually or hover over cells to decipher hidden content. Additionally, Smartsheet smartly handles the row height for you. When you apply text wrapping, the row height will automatically increase if needed. This ensures that all the lines of your text are visible within the cell without you manually adjusting the row heights. It's a hassle-free process that keeps everything neat and tidy as your data demands expand. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to wrap text in a Smartsheet cell, keeping your work neat and easy to navigate. Whether you're managing a small project or a comprehensive data set, this feature allows you to maintain clarity and retain focus on important details without distraction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.